The government in the CMP has said very categorically and clear that these casinos will be shifted, whichever are existing in river Mandovi, shifted, and maybe whatever location is there, it will be moved over there. ताज्या खातीर firm policy which was not done in the past number of years will be coming through. हे करता आसतना सोवो कजिनोचो येवप सरकाराचे तरी इनिशिएटिव्स खंयच्याच हातूंतल्यान दिश्टी पडना. Now there are directions coming from a judiciary, from High Court. We will see as the directions come. But as far as the government of Goa is concerned, and what we have spoken to the Chief Minister, categorically we are clear that no more casinos need to be coming. आसा तोच casino हालोवपाची सुरवात जावपा जाय म्हणून की that is the mandate of what people have asked all over Goa. As far as the 6 casino is coming, म्हाका दिसना ताका सगळी परमिशन मेळ्ळ्या अशी. And for everything, if they are going to the court, then if there are certain things which are coming as directions from the court, as time comes we will see.